Hey everybody, Tim Weigel here, Watson Realty, getting ready to give you the news for Orlando market update. So are you curious how the real estate market's doing for Orlando? Well, we got you covered. So, all right. So today's topics that we're going to cover, and this is for the month of September. So Orlando real estate market, the Orlando rental market, the investment market, and then we'll touch off a little bit on how the mortgage market's been for that area. All right, starting off. So we're doing a little differently today because Orlando, unlike some of the other cities that we've done this month, it is a bigger metropolitan. So there's a lot more homes and a lot more traffic, and it's a completely different demographic of everything compared to some of the small suburban cities out there. So for this one, we're currently comparing September this year versus last year. We've sold 923 homes in September, which is down from the 969 homes we sold in September of 2022. Median sales price is $375,000 this year, while it was $363,000 last year. That is a increase of about $12,000, which brings that to about a 3.2% increase. So, all in all, I mean, that's some healthy equity growth. It's nothing outrageous. It's in line. We've been saying for a long time that the curve's going to level out, but not dip that as much as many people think. And that's what we're seeing. And then days on market's been about the same, about 25, 26 between the 2 months. So relatively simple. Now, these numbers will change. We're going to dive a little bit into the zip code markets. We have many different zip codes. I'm not covering every zip code in the Orlando municipality, but we're going to cover some of the popular zip codes and some of the ones I do sell decently in. So first we got 32817. This zip code is off of University, 417 area, right around the corner from UCF, right in front of UCF primarily. Their median sales price is $407,500. Then you got 32828. That's over near Waterford, Avalon Park area. It's about $485,000. Then you got 32826. This is the zip code right behind UCF. Their median sales price for the month of September was $328,750. Now, the big primary difference between 32817 and 32826, you're going to end up getting more college students, more rentals at the 32826 and 32817. It's going to be a little mixed. You're going to get some college students, and then you're going to get some non-college students. And then 32825, that one's best section to give you an idea is, I think no, Lake Underhill, Curry Ford, 417 area. And that one's coming out to $369,500. Then you got 32824, that's the zip code just south of the airport at 407,500. Think of Landstar. You got 32836, big whopping $793,500 is that median sales price. Now 32836, just to give you an idea, it's not Windermere, but that's the Bay Hill area. So little pricier homes in that area was also some of the surrounding zip codes that we did not put in here. 32801, that is the zip code in downtown Orlando, and that's coming in at 300,000. You're gonna get a lot more condos and studios down there, so they could be a little less, but not much square footage. 32803, 32804, we kind of combined. That's coming in at $442,500. That is going to cover more of Colonial Town North, Colonial Town South, Bumby area, so right around the corner from downtown. 32810, which is like the Lockhart area, it's $335,000. And then 32805, which that area is more like the Paramore district, over there by the stadiums, is $265,000. So this just gives you a rough idea, and I didn't cover all the zip codes that are out there for Orlando, but gives you an idea of how the zip code market's going in Orlando, and it varies very widely. So based off where you want to live, there's a possibility you can find it. You just got to find the right zip code for you, which will vary based off those locations. So next up, we got the Orlando rental market. September 2023. leased 564 homes compared to 417 in 2022. Median rental was 2,100 compared to 2,125 last year, so only a $25 drop. And also increase in days on market, 42 days this year versus 31 days last year for September. So it gives you an idea. It's kind of slowing down a little bit in the rental market, but you're starting to see more people looking to rent versus buy, which is going to take that out and help level down the rents slightly. Now, as far as investments, this is looking at multiplex homes. We currently have 20 homes active in the area. Current sold was only 6 in September of 2023. Median sales price was 581,500. I looked through all 6 and calculated, and their return on investment is approximately anywhere from 5 to 10%. The 10% one's a great deal. So that's what every investor really wants, is that 1%er, which is what the 10%er would be. All right, mortgage market. So as of today, the 30-year fix that I saw was 7.875% to 8.155%, depending on your credit. Now, for Orlando specifically, in the month of September, there was 306 cash deals. That takes up about 33% market share. Conventional, there's 455 conventional deals, so that's almost 50%, 49.3% to be exact. And that's phenomenal. And that also lets you know that there might be a lot of cash out there, but there's more loans. FHA loans, 121, so that's a decent amount at 13.11%. VAs, 27 at 2.92, and then other is 19, so that was 2.1%. When I say other, these are hard money lenders, could be other, seller financing. So USDA I put in there if there's any USDA, which there shouldn't be. But basically other type of terms that do not fall under these regulated or cash terms. So, but that gives you an idea of how the mortgage market currently is for the month of September in Orlando. Now, if you have any questions, comments, concerns, would love to hear from you. You can connect with me. Here's my phone number. Here's my email. Here's my website. Please leave a comment. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I hope this data really helps you, especially if you're looking to move or sell in the Orlando area. It's good information that I hope you can use. Talk to you guys next week, which big one for next week. We're going to do a little bit of a quarterly results from how the third quarter was it? Yeah, we just finished the third quarter. So it'll be third quarter versus last year's third quarter, and we'll see what those differences are. Should be fun to see how the numbers are changing compared. Talk to y'all next week.